Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all on behalf of Telangana State Yoga Jhana Parishad and Department of Ayush for 7th International Day of Yoga 2021. As a part of our training programs, initially we will be teaching you common yoga protocol followed by an awareness program on COVID-19 and its importance in relation to our health. Today's topic is Yoga Nidra. So, as we all know, the awareness program will cover COVID 19, its prevention, mitigation, and rehabilitation. So, I request all the sadhakas, all the programs which we are telecasting are an adjuvant treatments to the already laid down standard protocol of treatment of ICMR. So you can use all these treatments as adjuvant to the already laid down treatment protocol. So now I request our yoga gurus, Sri Girish and Nilima, to start with the program with a prayer.
Pranamasan, deep inhalation. संगचत्वं संवधत्वं संवो मनांसि जानताम् देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते. Do the palming. Keep on your eyes. Slowly open the eyes. Please get up, stand up. Get ready for Sukshma Vyayama, micro yoga. And this neck exercise, both the hands on west portion. Griva Shakti Vikas. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale center. Exhale, look at right side. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Now touch the right ear to the right shoulder without disturbing the shoulder. Center. Then left to left. Center. Then right to right. Center. Then left to left. Center. Now rotate clockwise slowly. 1, While moving upwards, inhale, and while coming down, exhale. 2, 3. Then anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Now shoulder movement, both the hands straight. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now both the hand sides. Inhale up, 90 degrees straight, and as it is, spine should be straight 90 degrees. As it is, down like a chair, knee movement. Slowly up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Relax. Hands down. Now get ready for standing postures. The first one is known as the Tadasana. Both the hand sides slowly up. It's like a palm tree. Taati chettulaga chakkaga. Look straight. Then slowly up to the shoulder level, palms facing up. Then down, slowly down. Once again, up, slowly up. Tadasana, stretches the calf muscles, thighs, spine, shoulders. It strengthens the spine. It removes the spondylitis problem slowly down. Now once again, up. In Tadasana variation, interlock the hands, up. We can say this is the Urdhva Hastasana also, Tadasana. Heels up, balance on toes. Gradually, heels down. Rest your hands. Once again, up. Stretch the body completely up. Tadasana. Slowly down. Relax. Down. Now get ready for Vrikshasana, the beautiful asana, Vrikshasana. Balance on left leg, raise your right leg up, keep the right feet on left thigh, and the right heel should touch the perineum, Muladhara chakra, root chakra. See, this is the Vrikshasana. So like a tree. And this the total spine, neck, thigh, calf muscle, everything is straight. Slowly, hands down, slowly down. Then release the right leg. Initially balance. Now balance on your right feet and lift the left leg up. Touch it to the perineum, Muladhara chakra. All the balancing asanas will now repeat it. Left leg up, Vrikshasana. Slowly down, hands down, leg down. Relax. Now get ready for another beautiful asana called the Pada Hastasana. Pada means feet, Hasta means hands. Pada Hastasana. By both the feet, we should touch the feet. Both the hands up. This is called the Urdhva Hastasana or Tadasana. Gradually bend forward and catch the toes. Initially, this is known as the preparatory posture for the Padahastasana. Remember that your hips, your knees, your heel, three in one scale. Slowly up. Those who are suffering with back pain, vertigo problem, hypertension, they should not perform the Padahastasana. Once again, slowly, slowly, gradually come down and touch your palms to the floor. మీ రెండు అరచేతుల పాదాల పక్కన నేల కానిచ్చాలి. And touch your elbows to the elbows beside of knees and touch the forehead, head to the knees. Padahastasana. It strengthens the thighs, calf muscles, and the spine completely. Slowly up. Relax. Padahastasana. In Padahastasana, total forward bending so that if any uneasiness in your spine, neck portion, shoulder portion, so that to compensate that, the compensating asana is known as the Ardha Chakrasana or Ardha Chandrasana. Both the hands and waist portion and along with the hips. Now bend towards the left back side completely, slightly bending back. It strengthens the spine. It relieves the any uneasiness in the body while practicing the Padahastasana. Relax. Once again, inhale back slightly. Remember that if you are having vertigo problem, please avoid the back bending Ardha Chakrasana. Relax, relax, relax. Now get ready for another beautiful asana known as the Trikona Asana. Between 2 feet, 3 feet gap, and both. Now turn your right toes towards the right feet towards the right side, right toes pointing right side, and both the hands shoulder level. And gradually bend towards the right side and look at left palm. Your right fingers to left fingers completely, both the hands, it should be 90 degrees. Trikonasana, three angles are there. ఒక త్రిభుజ ఆకృతంలో एक त्रिभुज की समान त्रिकोणासन. Now inhale up. Now right toes original position and left toes pointing left side, and gradually bend towards the left side and look at right palm upwards towards the sky. This is known as the Trikonasana. It reduces the excess fats on the thigh region and in the waist region as well as in stomach, the sides. Center. Now repeat the asana kriya second time. Now turn your right toes pointing right side, right feet right side, and completely down. Now fingers together in this posture, then gradually center, then right feet original position and turn your left feet to the left side and gradually down and look up without bending the knees tight. Then again center, relax, Trikonasana. Legs together, relax. Now slowly come into the sitting posture. Slowly come down, Dandasthiti, both the legs straight. Dandasthiti. Now come into the Bhadrasana. Bhadrasana, fold the legs. Bhadrasana. Spine straight, Neck straight, thighs down, look straight. Bhadrasana, the standard posture. Bhadrasana. Look straight. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. पूर्ण श्वास लेना है और पूर्ण श्वास छोड़ना है. दीर्घ श्वास पील्चाली, दीर्घ श्वास उदलाली. भद्रासना. Relax. Now get ready for Vajrasana. Vajrasana, diamond posture. Sit in Vajrasana, both the palms on knees, look straight, deep inhalation and deep exhalation. This is the beautiful asana to activate the Muladhara chakra, root chakra, spine, to activate the total chakras. Vajrasana. Now gradually come towards the Ardhaushtrasana. Ardhaushtrasana posture. Sideway pose. Now both the hands on your waist portion and slowly up, bend back. Ardha Ustrasana. Remember that those who are having knee pains and the vertigo problem, please avoid the Ardha Ustrasana. Slowly down. Vajrasana. Once again repeat Ardha Ustrasana. Up. Slowly down. Vajrasana. Now get ready for Purna Ustrasana. Up, both the hands up, both the hands up. Catch the right heel, left heel, complete cover your both the feet. రెండు పాదాలని రెండు చేతులతో కవర్ చేయాలి. కంప్లీట్గా వెనక్కి బెండ్ కావాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పూర్ణ ఉష్ట్రాసన్. It strengthens the spine. It relieves the thyroid problem, tonsils problem, vocal cord problem, snoring problem, all the disorders which are related to the throat. Slowly up. Remember that those who are suffering with vertigo problem, please don't bend back. Again up. Purna Ustrasana. Slowly release, relax, 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 relax. Slowly down, sit in Vajrasana and get ready for the Shashakasana. Shashakasana, rabbit posture. Toes together, knees apart, both the hands up. And slowly forward bend and slide. Touch your chin to the floor. Remember that those who are having lower back pain, please avoid the Shashakasana. It strengthens the spine, thighs, hip region. Slowly up. Once again, slowly down. Shashakasana. Slowly up. Gradually up. Now get ready for relax. Get ready for the beautiful asana. Mandukasana. Uttana Mandukasana. Uttana means raising. Manduka means frog. When a frog will raise up and it will look upwards, how it will look like that, the same posture. Uttana Mandukasana. Raise both the hands up and keep back. Look straight. Uttana Mandukasana. Strengthen the abdominal portion completely and as well as spine. neck portion. It relieves the spondylitis, neck problems, back pain. Uttana Mandokasana. Deep inhalation and exhalation in this. दीर्घ श्वास पीलचाली, दीर्घ श्वास वदलाली. धीरे से श्वास लेना है और धीरे से श्वास छोड़ना है. Whenever you are inhaling, your belly should come out. Whenever you are exhaling, it should move inside. Slowly down. Once again, Uttana Mandokasana. Up. Slowly down. Gradually down. Slowly. Relax. Release the legs. Dandasthiti. Vakrasana. Both the legs straight. Vakra means cross. Vakrasana. Now fold the right leg. Keep the right hand back. Now with your left hand, press your right thigh towards the stomach and look at right side completely. This is the posture of Vakrasana. It strengthens your spine. It relieves the back pain. It releases the Apana Vayu. Inhale, look front. Then again, exhale, look back. Inhale, look front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Relax. Now change the leg. Vakrasana position. This is the best asana for the diabetes. Fold the left leg, left hand back, your left feet. Now keep the right palm beside of left feet and press your left knee with the help of right elbow and look at left side back. It activates the pancreas. It is the best asana for the diabetes, back pain, and for the stomach disorders, especially gastric problem. Inhale, look front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. This is the beautiful asana, Vakrasana, and this is the preparatory posture for the Ardhamachendrasana. Inhale, front. Relax. Relax. Relax in Shavasana. Shrame jaye iti Shavasane. When we will practice the asanas, the body little bit it will get tired, so that to recharge it, we are coming to the relaxation position. One of the relaxation position is Shavasana. Now get ready for the next posture. Get ready for Makarasana. Raise your right hand up, legs together, turn to the right side, come into the Makarasana. पेट के बल पर लेटना है, పొట్ట పైన పడుకోవాలి. మకరాసన एक मगरमच्छ के समान. It's a crocodile posture. Makarasana. Toes outside, heel inside. Just relax in this position. Makarasana. Get ready for Sarala Bhujangasana. Legs together. Both the palms beside of face. మీ ఫేస్ పక్కన రెండు అరచేతులు పెట్టాలి. మోచేతులు అరచేతులు రెండు నేలపై ఉండాలి. మోచేతి నుంచి భుజం వరకు చక్కగా వచ్చేటట్టుగా చేతుల్ని అమర్చుకోవాలి. ఇన్హేల్ అప్, లుక్ అప్వర్డ్స్, లుక్ బిట్వీన్ టూ ఐబ్రోస్, ఆజ్ఞా చక్ర. Then slowly elbows apart and hands together, Makarasana again down. Once again repeat it. Up, Sarala Bhujangasana. It strengthens the lower back. L4, L5 tailbone. You never get the lower back pain if you would practice regularly this asana. Slowly down. Now get ready for Bhujangasana. Both the palms beside of shoulders and your fingertip is slightly beside of shoulder, equal level. Now raise up, head and chest up to the Nabhisthana, up to the navel region. This is called the Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana. It strengthens total spine from waist portion to the neck region. It activates the Manipuraka chakra, Anahata chakra, Vishuddhi chakra. Slowly down. Once again, inhale up. One can practice these two asanas, Sarala Bhujangasana and Bhujangasana, to avoid the back pain. And when you are suffering with back pain, please practice these two asanas. More than sufficient for the back pain. Slowly down. Relax in Makarasana. Now get ready for Shalabhasana. Shalabha means grass worm. गड्डी पुरुगो एक घास का कीड़ा जो होता है उसे शलभ कहते हैं. Shalabhasan. Before going to do the Purna Shalabhasana, Ardha Shalabhasana, Ardha Shalabhasana anyone can practice, but Purna Shalabhasana, those who are suffering with hernia problem, those who are suffering with cardiac problem, those who are hypertension, and those who are crossed the any surgeries, after 3 months only you can perform the Purna Shalabhasana. Now raise the right leg 30 degrees, 45 degrees. Ardha Shalabhasana. This is the best asana for the sciatica problem. And those who will get the cramps, uneasiness, for them it's good asana. Slowly down. Now left leg up without bending the knee. It should be straight with pleasantness. Slowly down. Once again raise the right leg up. Slowly down. Then slowly left leg up. Ardha Shalabhasana. This is the preparatory posture for the Purna Shalabhasan. Slowly down. Now get ready for Purna Shalabhasana. Raise both the legs at a time. Slowly, don't give the jerk. Slowly up. Purna Shalabhasana. The best asana for the sciatica. It strengthens total lower portion, both the thighs, calf muscles, toes. It tones the west toes region completely. Slowly down. Remember that those who are suffering with cardiac problem, hypertension, hernia, undergone any surgery, please avoid the Purna Shalabhasan. Relax in Makarasana. Now legs together, slowly come to the Shavasana. The beautiful asana, Shavasana. Shavasana. Slightly come down and get ready for The best asana, Setu Bandhasana. Fold the right leg, then left leg, catch the ankles, and slightly, slowly lift the waist portion up. నెమ్మదిగా నడుము పైకి లేపండి. సేతు బంధాసన. సేతు మీన్స్ బ్రిడ్జ్. ఒక వంతెనలాగా ఉంటుంది. एक ब्रिज के जैसा. Slowly down. Little bit calm down. Once again up. सेतु यानी कि एक ब्रिज, ఒక వంతెనలాగా. सेतुबंधासना. Slowly down, relax. Now get ready for Uttana Padasana. Uttana means raising, Pada means feet. Uttana Padasana. In this also precautions that those who are having hypertension, cardiac problem or back pain, they should not raise both the legs at a time, one by one leg. Now we are going to do the single leg Ekapada Uttanasana. Uttana Padasana. Raise the right leg 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 30 degrees, down. Left leg 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 30 degrees, down. Now both the legs, Uttana Padasana, both the legs 30 degrees. Remember that if you are having back pain, avoid 60 degrees, 30 degrees, down. This is the preparatory posture for the Ardha Halasana. Now get ready for Ardha Halasana. Both the legs 30, 60, 90. This is called the Ardha Halasana. One can practice. If you are getting the 90 degrees accurate, then you will not get the back pain. Otherwise, you will get the back pain. So that whenever you are suffering with back pain, please avoid the Ardha Halasana posture. Slowly down. It strengthens the waist portion, thighs, calf muscles. While practicing this, just concentrate on your big toes. Gradually down. Relax. Shavasana. Uttana Padasana, Ardha Halasana, and then Shavasana. Now get ready for a beautiful asana, Pavana Muktasana. Raise both the legs 45 degrees up and fold them. Keep the thighs on your stomach and press with both the hands. This is called the Purna Pavana Mukta Asana. Pavana means air, Mukta means release. The wind releasing asana is Pavana Mukta Asana. Those who are suffering with neck pain, vertigo problem, shoulder pain, back pain, please don't raise the head. Then the remaining persons, please head up, touch your forehead to the knees. Purna Pavana Muktasana. Chin or nose or forehead. Slowly head back, legs straight 45 degrees, 45 degrees straight, down. Once again, repeat the Pavana Muktasana, fold the leg, raise the legs 45 degrees, then fold them, press them, touch your forehead or chin. पूर्ण पवन मुक्त आसना. अपान वायु रिलीज करने के लिए है बहुत ही सुंदर आसन. Slowly head back, legs down, relax. Shavasana. Now get ready for beautiful posture, sitting posture and cleansing kriyas and pranayama. Legs together, turn aside, come to the sitting posture, sit in any comfort position, Siddhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana, any sitting posture, spine should be straight. Get ready for the pranayama. The first kriya is Kapalabhati, Shuddhikarana kriya. If you are a senior sadhaka, you are a regular practitioner, so you can continue the Kapalabhati. Otherwise, three sets 20, 20, 20. Only exhalation. Take a deep breath. Start the relax. Second round. Relax. Once again. Relax. Kapalabhati, Shuddhikaran Kriya. It's a cleansing process. Now get ready for another beautiful pranayama, Nadi Shodhana pranayama or Anuloma Viloma pranayama. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Nasikagra Mudra. Fold the index finger and middle finger and the remaining three fingers on the nostril. Close the right nostril. Left in, right out, right in, left out, left in, right out, right in, left out, left in, right out, right in, left out, left in, right out. 1:1 ratio if you are a beginner, otherwise 1:2 ratio. Slowly left out. Stop the practice. Gradually hands down, both the hands in Chin Mudra. Now get ready for another beautiful pranayama and summer compulsory pranayama. Those who are those who are the heat body persons can practice, and those who are suffering with mouth ulcer they can practice. Now Sitali pranayama, fold your tongue like a straw. Inhale. Along with Jalandhar Bandha. Then slowly exhale through nostril. Once again, inhale. గాలిని నాలుక ఫోల్డ్ చేసి పీల్చాలి, కంఠాన్ని సంకోచింపచేయాలి, మళ్ళీ నెమ్మదిగా मुख द्वारा उदलाली. रिपीट इट. अपने जीभ को फोल्ड कीजिए और श्वास लीजिए. पूर्ण श्वास लेते लेते कंठ को सिकोड़ना है. जलंधर बंद. పూర్తిగా గాలి పీల్చాలి నెమ్మదిగా. Then slowly exhale through the nostril. Relax. Now get ready for another beautiful pranayama that is known as the Brahmari Pranayama, Shenmukhi Mudra. Index finger on eyes, middle finger on nostril, little finger down the nostril, upper lip, and little finger down the lips, middle finger. Now take a deep breath and close the ears with thumbs. Relax. Take out the hands. Meditation. Dhyana sthiti. Dhyana sthiti. Meditation. For practicing the meditation, you can take the help of a chanting, or you can observe the heartbeats, the vibrations of the heart, or you can concentrate on the breath, awareness of the breath, how you are inhaling, how you are exhaling, how the process is going on, or between two eyebrows, Ajna Chakra, Dhyana Sthiti. Up to now, we have practiced the Sukshma Vyayama, Asanas, Pranayama. These all are to get perfection in the Dhyana Sthiti. These are all are the preparatory postures, kriyas for the meditation. Just focus on your Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. Little bit chin towards the up sky. Now relax, relax, relax. Now slowly release, slowly rub the palms. Keep on your eyes. Slowly open the eyes. Now lie down in Shavasana. Shavasana. Shrame Jaye iti Shavasana. Now we are going to practice the Yoga Nidra, a deep relaxation. Amavasya, that is called the no moon day. On every Amavasya in Yoga Sadhana Kriyas, for every Amavasya we will practice the Yoga Nidra, and every full moon day, Purnima, will practice the ప్రతి పౌర్ణిమకి ధ్యానం చేస్తాము సాధన, ప్రతి అమావాస్యకి యోగ నిద్ర సాధన. అమావాస్య is not dark day, it is the beginning for the light. Amavasya, the whatever it may be, the pains, the physical elements and the brain, the disturbances, thoughts, uneasiness, anxiety, depression, tension, all will vanish. We'll take out all the problems from our body on the Amavasya day. In the nature's darkness, our darkness is also, we are making to mix them and we are becoming fresh from the Amavasya day. This is the beginning day to towards the light, towards the new journey, so that take the Amavasya as a positive, a journey towards the positiveness. Now take a sankalpa. Do the sankalpa that what you want. आपको क्या चाहिए మీరు ఏం కోరుకుంటున్నారు ఆ ప్రకృతి నుంచి ఆ పరమేశ్వరుడి నుంచి ఈ ప్రకృతి నుంచి మీరేం కోరుకుంటున్నారో ఆరోగ్యాన్ని మీ మానసిక శారీరక రుగ్మతలన్నీ తొలగిపోయి ఒక ప్రసన్నతని మీరు ఏం కోరుకుంటున్నారో మీ ఇష్ట దైవాన్ని తలుచుకొని ఒక్కసారి ఆ ప్రకృతిని తలుచుకొని ఒక్కసారి సంకల్పం చేసుకోండి నాకు ఈ కోరిక తీరాలి నేను ఈ కారణానికి దీనికై నేను ఇప్పుడు యోగ నిద్ర చేస్తున్నాను నౌ ఫర్ దిస్ వర్క్ ఐఎమ్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ ద యోగ నిద్ర either physical elements or any disorders, mentally, physically, whatever it may be, the problems to get solved, get results for that, I am practicing the yoga nidra. मैं मेरे शारीरिक और मानसिक रुग्मताओं को दूर करने के लिए मेरी आध्यात्मिक जीवन की ओर बढ़ने के लिए मैं योग निद्रा कर रहा हूं या कर रही हूं ऐसे संकल्प कर लीजिए इसमें निर्विघ्न मैं कर सकना ऐसा సంకల్ప నిరాటంకంగా నేను యోగ నిద్ర సాధన చేసి నా యొక్క ఆ ఇష్టాన్ని పూర్తి చేసుకోగలగాలి అనే సంకల్పం చేసుకోండి నౌ విల్ బిగిన్ ద యోగ నిద్ర between 2 feet 1.5 feet gap between your waist portion and palms 12 inches gap. Observe each and every part of the body from toes to the midpoint of the head. అరికాళ్ళ నుంచి తల యొక్క మధ్య భాగం సహస్రారం వరకు ప్రతి అవయవాన్ని గమనించండి అబ్జర్వ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ see the particular part wherever you are feeling the uneasiness in your body any pains uneasiness toes feet ankles cuff muscles knees thighs waist portion stomach ribs chest breast spine total back both the palms breast portion lower arm elbows upper arms shoulders throat neck chin cheeks lips ears nostril eyes forehead head conscious, unconscious, superconscious mind. Now observe each and every part. Now so you scanned your body completely, scanning, and you are located the postures, located the points wherever you are feeling the uneasiness. Now we are removing that uneasiness. We are taking the get rid from that particular pains. ఆ శరీరంలోని మన యొక్క ఆ భాగాల నుంచి పూర్తిగా మన శరీరంలో నుంచి ఆ అవయవాలను ఆ భాగాల్లో ఉన్న ఆ నొప్పులను తీసేస్తున్నాము. మనసులో ఉన్న ఆ ఆందోళనలను తీసేస్తూ ఉన్నాము. A flow, a journey. On each Amavasya and Purnima, a change in the nature, a change in the flow of sea and rivers. Like that in our body also, in Panchabhutas also, in the planetary system also, a change will occur on every no moon day and full moon day. Similarly, in our body also, changes will come. So that get the benefit of that particular day, now we are practicing the Yoga Nidra. Now come towards the right feet. Observe the right feet. A flow is going on. Prana Shakti, the abundant cosmic energy we are receiving from the nature, and by that we are removing all our physical and mental elements. Observe your right feet, right ankle, right calf muscle, right knee, right thigh, right hip region. Totally you scan the right feet, right leg completely. Now gradually come towards the left side, left feet, left ankle, left calf muscle, left knee, left thigh, west portion, complete west portion. Rotate your mind towards the clockwise in west portion. Rotate your consciousness completely on the west portion in clockwise direction. Then anti-clockwise direction. Any blockages in your west portion, any cramps, uneasiness, so that it will vanish like in a tube, like in a pipe. Water will flow. If it is twisted or if it is bent, At the time, the flow will be a little bit slow or abstraction. When you will apply the more force, the water's pressure, the blockage will open like that, a flow. Look towards complete your west portion clockwise, then anti-clockwise, Viparita Disha, and observe your Muladhara chakra, root chakra. It begins to start. The energy we are supplying to the chakras are begin to start their work. It is rotating. Muladhara chakra, root chakra. By this, the west portion, Muladhara chakra, the problems which are in the west region and hip region and in the Jananendriyas, Visarjaka Avayas will cleanse. Then slowly come towards the stomach. Stomach region, the disorders, whatever it may be, the disorders, constipation, indigestion, acidity, gastric problem, ulcer, appendicitis, hernia, all will vanish. Just take a deep breath and fill in your stomach. The energy we are supplying to the total body, we are applying. The abundant cosmic energy we are taking from the nature to get rid of all the problems. Now slowly come towards the ribs. Observe the chest region. Now slowly come towards the heart. Try to listen the heartbeats. Observe the vibrations of the heart. ఆ హృదయ స్పందనని గమనించండి, అది ప్రకంపిస్తున్న విధానాన్ని గమనించండి, ఆ శబ్దాన్ని వినడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. Always will listen the all outside sounds, the music, but now please try to listen the heartbeats, the ticking sound, lub dub of the heart. Then come towards the spine. Come towards the spine. Observe the spinal cord from the west portion to the neck. It's like a mantra danda akruti. ఒక మంత్రదండం లాగా ఉంటుంది వెన్నుపూస. 33 పూసలు కలిగి oval shape, 33 oval shapes arrangement is there in the spine. Between like small balls, between two balls, the arrangement, if they will come close, the pain will start. If they will move aside, the pain will start. In this arrangement, any slight change in spinal arrangement will get the back pain. To get rid from that, we are supplying the prana shakti in spine totally from west portion to neck. Relax. Now slowly come towards the total spine. Observe total back portion, right side of the spine and left side of the spine. A flow is going on like a water flow. A wind is coming. Pratakal in the Brahma Muhurta. How the water, how prana shakti will supply to the nature, how it will be like that the true cool wind is touching to the body completely. A slight pleasantness. And observe both the palms. Now come towards the right palm. Send the prana shakti in your right palm, right hand's wrist portion, elbow, complete right hand, shoulder, left palm, wrist portion, elbow, left shoulder, both the shoulders. Observe the flow in your body. సముద్రంలో ఎలా అలలు వస్తూ ఉంటాయో, ఆటుపోట్లు వస్తూ ఉంటాయో, అలా మన శరీరంలో కూడా ఒక ప్రవాహం జరుగుతుంది. దాన్ని గమనించండి. जैसे समुद्र में लहरें आते हैं, वैसे हमारे शरीर में भी एक लहर का प्रकंपन हो रहा है. ध्यान दीजिए. नाउ कम टुवर्ड्स द थ्रोट. neck. Now come towards the Jnanendriyas. Chin, cheeks, lips, both the nostrils, Chandranadi, Suryanadi, both the ears, right and left, both the eyes, right and left. Head portion, conscious, unconscious, superconscious mind, observe that. The flow is moving towards your head portion and it is cleansing all the thoughts, disturbances, all the elements which are related to the eyes, ears, nostril, mouth, and all the elements which are related to the thoughts, all will vanish. Now we are supplied, we are applied, we are completely, the cosmic energy is filled with, in total body is filled with cosmic energy. And all the negativities gradually moving aside. All the positive energies reaching in each and every part of the body. Now we will cleanse total our negativities. We will clear the total negativities from the body, from each and every part of the body, from toes to the midpoint of the head. Gradually. Now from both the toes, both the feet, the negative energy is moving up. The negative energy is moving up. Gradually it is coming upwards from both the toes, feet, calf muscles, knees. నెమ్మది నెమ్మదిగా మన లోపల ఉన్న ఆ నకారాత్మకము, మన లోపల మనము అవసరం లేదు అనుకునేవన్నిటినీ తీసేస్తున్నాము. ఆ నొప్పులని, ఆ ఆలోచనల్ని అన్నిటినీ. हमारे अंदर से जो हमें और दूसरों को पसंद नहीं है, हमारे अंदर उन चीजों को बाहर निकाल दे रहे हैं, सारे दर्दों को निकाल दे रहे हैं. ऊर्ध्वमुख में प्रयाण करते हुए एक ज्योत जैसे ऊर्ध्वमुख में प्रकाश देती हैं, वैसे నెమ్మదిగా కాళ్ళ నుంచి తల వరకు ఉన్న నెగటివ్ ఎనర్జీస్ని, అన్ని నొప్పులని, అవరోధాలని బయటికి తీసేస్తున్నాము సహస్రారం ద్వారా. థాయిస్, కఫ్ మజిల్స్, knees, west portion, విసర్జక అవయవాస్, మూలాధార చక్ర, స్టమక్ రీజన్, మూలాధార చక్ర, స్వాధిష్టాన చక్ర, మణిపూరక చక్ర, ribs region, chest region, we are cleansing, lower back, middle back, upper back, complete back. All the negative energies are moving upwards. They are mixing into the space. Right hand, right palm, wrist portion, elbows, shoulder, left palm, wrist portion, elbow, left shoulder, both shoulders, neck region, throat region, panchendriyas, jnanendriyas, chin, cheeks, mouth, nostrils, eyes, ears, forehead. Now a journey. All the seven chakras are activated. All the negative energies moving upwards from the Sahasrara chakra. All the negative energies vanished down. Now the seven chakras are activated. Mooladhara chakra, anus portion. Swadhisthana chakra, west portion. Manipuraka chakra, Nabhisthana. Anahata chakra, Hridayasthana. Vishuddhi chakra, Kanthasthana. Ajna chakra, between two eyebrows. Sahasrara chakra, head portion. And the Bindu chakra is also activated. Relax. Now total body is energized. Now a arrow is formed around your body. There is no negative energy in your body right now. There is no thought, thoughtless stage. You are become perfect. You are taking a new birth on this Amavasya day, no moon day. Your all negativities are mixed with the darkness of the nature, and your journey is started towards the Purnima, full moon, a light, Prakash. Repeat the Sankalpa which you taken initially, and say thanks to the nature that I received the energy. Thanks to the nature, thanks to the Panchabhutas, Agni, Vayu, Akash, Prithvi, Jal. Thanks to the Supreme Power, which is making me the journey. And thanks to the nature, and thanks to everybody. Repeat in your mind that, say thanks to every birds, animals, Panchabhutas. Say thanks to Panchabhutas, all the living organisms. Say thanks to every person. Thanks to animals, birds. Thanks to each and every your neighbor. They are not disturbing you. They are making you and they are making you to thought according to you and do the work which you like. So thanks to them. Thanks to each and every person because they are not disturbing you. Now finally thanks to your body that thanks to your mind, thanks to your body's each and every part, toes, thighs, cup muscles, waist portion, stomach, spine, heart, throat, mouth, ears, eyes, nostril, head, conscious, unconscious, superconscious mind. Thanks to each and every part of the body because which instruction you are giving to a particular part that is making success. So thanks. Repeat in your mind that I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. I'm healthy, I'm healthy, I'm healthy. I'm perfect, I'm perfect, I'm perfect. Relax, 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 relax. Slowly come to the consciousness. Legs together. Shake your right leg, right hand, left hand. Slowly come to the sitting posture. Relax. Rub the palms. Massage your neck, throat, hands. Once again do the palming. Keep on your eyes. Slowly open the eyes. Both the hands in Namaskar position. Get ready for Shanti part. Take a deep breath. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Do the palming. Keep on your eyes. Slowly open the eyes. Look your palms. Do the namaskara to the palms. Then do the bhu namaskara. Touch the forehead to the floor. Then slowly head up, hands up. Om. Thank you.
That was a beautiful session on the Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is the practice of psychic sleep. It is not an asana, but a conscious state that sits on the border of sleep. Deep transformation can help happen in Yoga Nidra throughout the practice, bringing powerful potential for healing and self-growth. So all of you must have enjoyed the practice of Yoga Nidra. So tomorrow, once again, 7 a.m., we'll meet with our sadhana program. Thank you very much.